Hi, I'm TJ Walker. This is the Habit Influencer. This is the show where we talk to you about all the latest information, insights, techniques on how to have positive habits in your life. Habits that will give you more fulfillment, better health, better career, better personal relationships. That's what we're all about here. This story talks about how simple habits can take 10 years off your life, according to a recent study. Now, it's 7 years for men, 10 years for women because of simple lifestyle habit changes. You can have as many as 10 more years of life free of cancer, heart problems, and type 2 diabetes by living a healthy lifestyle. This is a study in the BMG, and this is, again, you can see the footnotes, you can see all the specifics of this in the show notes that I've attached. You can see that on YouTube, Facebook, most of the platforms. We haven't yet posted that on Instagram or TikTok, but if you want to head over to the Facebook page or YouTube, you can see those notes as well. This is research done in the United States on 111,000 people. So this is a huge, broad-based study. It's not one of these college surveys that was done on 7 freshmen in one semester. They tracked people for 20 years. Now here's what they found, that if you exercise regularly, drink in moderation only, have a healthy weight, and a good diet, and you don't smoke. So if you have I cheated a little bit. I said change one habit. It's a habit of having a healthy lifestyle versus a not healthy lifestyle. You may have experienced some family members who said this before, or friends who said, you know what, I'm going to enjoy my life. When my time comes, you can't control it. Well, that's just not true. You can control a lot of it. Now, you can have the healthiest lifestyle in the world and get run over by a bus. You can lose a genetic lottery and just have a heart attack even though you're a perfect weight and you exercise all day long. Famously, for those of you old enough to remember, Euell Gibbons died much, much, much younger than Keith Richards of the Rolling Stones, who had a famous lifestyle of drugs and heroin and rock and roll and drinking excessively, and he's still alive. So it's not a 100% guarantee. That's about all for now. If you like this and got anything helpful out of it, go ahead and follow me on the links below. I'm TJ Walker. See you soon. If you simply exercise regularly, maintain a proper body weight, drink in moderation, eat good real food, and don't smoke, you're going to get another 10 years of life if you're a woman, and 7 years of life as a man. Now, if you're a young person, if you're below 30, a lot of times people think, you know what, I'm 30, I'm going to live forever, and you know what, if I get to 70 and I don't make it to 80, who cares? 70 is so far off, that's probably going to be too much. Guess what? Your perspective changes once you hit 70, because when you're 70, unless you're in pain, you don't want to die. You want those extra 10 years. Now, the lead author of this was of Harvard Medical School, the public health division there in Boston, Dr. Frank Hugh. He said a lot of positive messages here for the public. Quote, they gain not just more years of life, but good years. Some people say, well, I don't want to live till 90 and have the last 10 years horrible health, miserable in pain in a hospital bed. I'd rather just die at 80. So let me drink, smoke, do whatever I want. That's not the choice. According to this survey, you can actually have 10 good years without cancer, without diabetes, without stroke. At the age of 50, the study participants were asked if they met at least 4 of the following 5 criteria: never smoking, a healthy, balanced diet, 30 minutes of moderate or vigorous activity every day, a body mass index, the BMI, between 18.5 and 24.9, no more alcohol than a small glass of wine a day for women, and a pint of beer for men. And if they did that, you get all this magic extra years, 10 years for women, 7 years for men. Women who said they met 4 out of 5 lived an average of another 34 years of cancer, cardiovascular disease, and type 2 diabetes. They lived absent of those. They did not get those diseases. These were people who started at age 50. For the healthy men, it meant another 31 years of disease-free life, which was 7 years more than the unhealthy men. So we know that we live longer if we have healthy lifestyle. This is yet more evidence. Unfortunately, evidence alone doesn't create changed behavior, doesn't necessarily create new habits. That's what this show's about, is how do you go from intellectual knowledge, facts, to turning them into daily habits. That's about all for now. If you like this and got anything helpful out of it, go ahead and follow me on the links below. I'm TJ Walker. See you soon.